Today we're going to demonstrate how to run a hang procedure for the Domino 901 FixPack 4 server on Windows 2008. My name is Jim Schrader and I'm a software engineer with the IBM Domino support. If you're having a performance problem or a hang, you'll be asked to follow this procedure. First, document and give some details of what type of performance issue you're having. When did it start? Any recent changes you've made to hardware or software? How long does the performance issue last? Does it eventually resolve itself? Were there any errors that you've seen? This should all be done before you call support. The next step is to make sure that you have the debug parameters in your notes INI. Check your notes INI and make sure that they're all there. If they're not, you can copy and paste off of this list. This is the typical letter that you'd be receiving from support when you open the PMR. So if you copy and paste, you'll see that console logging is already enabled. So do each one of the rest of these, and if they're not enabled, it will just give you a return. Next thing you want to do is issue these commands one at a time. First do a show stat, then do a show tasks. You can abbreviate them. Then show schedule and show server. Those will all be in your IBM technical support folder in the console log. Next, we'll want to run a netstat space minus ABN and path it out to a text file. So we'll copy this, we'll open a new DOS prompt, we'll paste it in, and hit a return. And that will accomplish that. Okay, if you're remoting into your server, make sure that you use the console or the admin switch. Next, we want you to run manual NSDs. Here's a tech note, and here's also a video that you can watch on exactly how to do that. We want you to run 3 NSDs manually, about 5 minutes apart. Then you can bring the server down with a quit, or if you need to, with an NSD space minus kill. Next, we want you to collect these files from the IBM Technical Support folder and the netstat file from wherever you passed it to. I happen to path it out to my root drive. Then you need to collect from your operating system. If it's a 2003 or older, you'll do a WinMSD. And if it's a 2008 server or newer, you'll do a MS-Info32. We also have a video for you to watch on how to do that. Next, you want to collect your event viewer logs, application and system, and save them as EBT files or EBTX files, depending on your version of Windows. Next, you'll want to collect these files, put them in a folder, zip them all up, and then upload them to this link. There's also a tech note on other ways of uploading files to support. Make sure you use the full PMR number, including the last 3 zeros if you're in the United States. Now, to collect the files, go to our IBM Technical Support folder. If you sort by date modified, you can just take all of them from today, copy, open a new folder, paste. Then you can zip all these up. Now you have a zip file that you can send up with the files from Domino itself. Next, you'll want to zip up the WinMSD and the event bureau logs and add them into a zip file called OS. After you upload these, support software engineer will review them and get back to you and let you know the next procedure needs to be done. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye now.